In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my bathroom vanity using reclaimed barn lumber. And a quick disclaimer, there's a lot of awesome woodworkers that I follow on Instagram and I watch their videos on YouTube, and they put out some really expert level stuff. And that's not what this is. I'm not an expert woodworker, I don't have a shop full of the best tools, but I'm still able to create projects that I'm proud of, and I think you could do the same thing. So if you like this video and it helps you and you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you got any tips to make it easier, you can comment below, and thanks for watching. A couple years ago, I impulsively bought a trailer load of barnwood off of Craigslist. I think I paid $500. I've made a ton of stuff with it, and I still probably have half of it left. So for this project, I grabbed a few of the boards from my pile and some oak 4x4 pieces for the legs. If you don't have a planer, you can use a sander, but it's going to take a lot longer. So if you're planning on doing a few reclaimed wood projects, I would highly recommend getting a planer. This is just a cheap one from Harbor Freight, but it works great. After I cleaned the wood a bit, I cut some boards to make the apron and the trim around the bottom shelf. And I'll cut them about 2.5 inches wide, just based on the material I have available. Fill all of the holes and the cracks with black wood filler. I'll put a link in the description for this and for everything else I use in the video. Just to make it easier, I make a box out of 1x pieces that I attach the legs to, and it helps me keep it square while I'm building it and add some surface area for the concrete to sit on, and it allows me to fasten my apron directly to it rather than using pocket screws, because some of the wood that I use isn't in the best shape and I don't really trust it to hold the screws. I use brackets to attach the legs. Once the legs are attached, I cut one of the apron boards to fit between the legs, and then I attach it with glue, and I'll nail from the inside to hide any nail holes. I used a homemade dowel jig to attach the front of the shelf. You could also use pocket screws. For the shelf, I joined 2 boards together using a biscuit joiner, also from Harbor Freight. I use small wedges to get my boards flush, and then I make some marks with a pencil for the biscuit joiner. And then I fill in the sides. After the glue dried and I took the clamps off, I ended up attaching the backboard with screws. It didn't have to be pretty, I just wanted it to be strong because it's going to be against the wall. Sand everything smooth, get the dust off, and then we're ready to apply the finished coat. I probably use oils to finish the reclaimed wood more than anything else, but on this one I didn't want it to darken up too much, so I used a water-based poly, and it's also a really durable finish. And where it's going to be a bathroom vanity and there's going to be moisture, it's not a bad choice, and it's very low maintenance. Next step is making the concrete top, so if you click the link, you can check out that video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.